This is News 14 Carolina meteorologist Matthew East here with you. You've clicked onto the July 1st edition of the Carolina weather video here on this Wednesday. And as we started the day today, we had some showers and some thunderstorms during the pre-dawn hours in the mountains. Those began to develop eastward. And this was a look at the radar image from right at 5 o'clock this morning. And we did have those areas of rain with a little bit of embedded thunder and lightning spilling from the mountains into the foothills. And as we go through the rest of the day today, we will see here in the Piedmont the chance of some isolated thunderstorms from time to time. Now, I don't think it's going to be anything terrifically widespread, but we will see the chance of a few storms, and what storms do develop could be locally strong to severe today, so we're going to keep a close eye on that. There's the water vapor imagery, and I know it's tough to tell from a still image, but we still have this big upper level low in the Great Lakes region. That's keeping our flow out of the west and northwest, so still low dew point temperatures today. That's a look at the dew points at 5 a.m. and a lot of 50s for those dew point temperatures. And when you get 50s for dew points in early July, that typically means a pretty dry air mass is in place, and that is certainly the case. A couple big upper level lows, the one of main influence over our areas in the Great Lakes, and there's the heat ridge back in the desert southwest. Underneath that ridge, you have triple-digit heat in much of Arizona, southern parts of Nevada, southern California as well, when you get toward the Arizona side of the state. And then also a little bit of triple-digit heat trying to bubble up in parts of Texas and the southern plain states. But notice the big dip in temperature still in place in the eastern U.S. 60s and 70s for highs in the Great Lakes, and only 80s for highs down as far as Nashville and Memphis, over toward Knoxville, Tennessee, and looks like most Piedmont spots in the lower 90s or close to 90 here in North Carolina today. So there's the NAM model output. This is the 6Z run, the one just in-house as I'm cutting this video, and you see it indicating that chance of a few showers and thunderstorms around the Piedmont zones of North Carolina as we go through this afternoon and into this evening, and even a few showers and storms around this morning if you're watching this during the morning hours. So that we have that chance for a few showers and storms around. A couple of them could be strong to severe. We'll keep an eye on that. Then behind that little disturbance that moves through today, we see a push of some drier air, so it looks like a dry day tomorrow. And we'll be looking at high temperatures tomorrow, backing on down toward the upper 80s in most. So upper 80s for Thursday, maybe even some mid-80s out there around the area. Really a little bit of a reinforcing push of drier air settling in. So it looks like a pretty good day overall as we look at the forecast for tomorrow. Friday, much the same, a dry day on the way, highs mid to upper 80s, and a lot of sunshine on the way. Now, what about the 4th of July here? That's the chart for Saturday, and it still looks like a mostly dry day across the Carolinas for the 4th. Now, the exception to that could be up in the mountains. Could be a few showers and storms, especially Saturday afternoon up in the high country, but for most of the state, your 4th of July plans should not have many weather-related problems. But then we get out to Sunday. That's when our next pretty strong disturbance begins to approach from the west, and it looks like we'll see at least scattered thunderstorms as we go through Sunday afternoon, and a pretty good chance for then some areas of showers and thunderstorms Sunday night and on into the day on Monday as that the brunt of that next disturbance pulls on through. But hey, then behind it, looks like another push of cooler, drier air is going to settle on in here as we get toward Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So overall, not a bad-looking forecast. Certainly no sign of any extreme heat anytime soon in the Carolinas for the next week to 10 days or so, so things looking pretty good. A few showers and storms today. Dry then Thursday and Friday, probably the 4th as well, but some showers and storms in Sunday and Monday. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great Wednesday, and God bless.